Hello, today I'm going to paint artwork onto my hand-built skateboard deck. I'm going to use acrylic paint, and I'm going to paint an orc holding a sword. I'm going to start out with a blue hue, and I'm going to mix it with white to make a mid-tone. I'm also going to use black and yellow for this artwork. The whole thing is going to be mostly blue and black with some highlights of white and yellow. I'm just using a piece of pine wood for my palette. Okay, the painting is complete. That took 1 hour. And here is another shot of the final image. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you could like and subscribe, I would appreciate it. Bye for now.